What's up, guys? This is LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. For today's video, we're going to be reacting to a Spingebill one again. It's by Jimmy Davis. Spingebill becomes a shameless sellout. Let's see what this is about, shall we? And 3, 2, 1, go. Target. Wait,
This
is
is a
this
huge
Target commercial? Michael Rosen, why are you there?
Help your mom with subliminal messages.
Thanks. Oh. Okay, why did I do SpongeBob?
SpongeBob's target. Oh.
That's not funny. Okay, what is this?
Really freaking cool stuff.
No, it's not. It's not cool. Doing drugs is not
Kill you.
cool.
We're making.
What the? Now SpongeBob SquarePants is in drag. SpongeBob. They're dry. They're wet. They're dry. They're wet. They're basic. They're
Making art.
They're drag-ins. Now you're kidding me. Only at Burger King. Home of the real hit burger.
100% kids for 100%
Cannibals.
Is that from Juicy Juice?
I painted a picture of you. Whoa.
Oh, it's just the movie commercial for Burger King. I remember that.
SpongeBob, I painted a picture of you. Want to see it?
Hey.
The game's pretty good. What the?
That's pretty
Nice, Patrick, but it doesn't really look nice, Patrick. It doesn't really look
gay.
Patrick, but it doesn't really look like Patrick. But Patrick doesn't really look
Pretty gay.
like me. But me doesn't really like Patrick. Patrick.
Sus.
That's pretty good.
SpongeBob toys are now at Burger King in celebration of the Burger King movie.
Burger King movie?
There's kids in every burger, only at Bob's Burgers.
Bob's Burger? No. Okay, what is the glitching?
Don't you know what a watch is? No. This is the watch. Whoa.
Watch this! Watch that! Watch this and watch that! Watch me! Watch us and watch your head! Watch this!
What the?
Watch this and watch that! Watch us and watch your head! Watch what you're doing!
Watch out!
SpongeBob SquarePants watch the now at Burger King.
Oh
Only
man, I remember that.
$99
The
each when you
watches.
buy any pants, flippable flop for the
Good morning, Gary.
Don't touch me, motherfucker.
I'm red.
If you're into bikinis, then you'll love
Oh, it's a game of life.
SpongeBob's Sweet Bottom.
Once again, beautiful.
If you're into SpongeBob, get a job.
For the last time.
We did not order a giant trampoline.
For more Michael nonsense, flip ends into SpongeBob's pants.
Pants and pants. I don't remember that commercial. Oh, that's it? Okay, that was a Spingebill becomes a shameless sellout. Well, I have to say, that was kind of a nostalgic video because of all those old commercials from back in the day, and oh my god. Alright, well, I guess that's it. If you like this video, just hit that like button, subscribe, comment on what video I should watch next, and until next time, LD42 out.